What's going on, everybody? You know, it's Saturday, so that means it's fish day. We're going to keep this real simple today. We're going to make some orange roughy with some basmati rice. So here we go. All right, we're going to start off with our orange roughy fish. This is a delicate kind of fish, guys, but it's very good. Um, uh, Really mild tasting. We're just going to use some of this 14 spice seasoning on it and some organic mustard. May have to add a little bit of Mediterranean salt on it. And then we're going to do one of these boiling bags, which we've already got it boiling in the bag. These are just 10-minute basmati rice. I'm going to add a little bit of Himalayan salt, garlic, onion powder, and white pepper, some cream cheese, a little bit of sour cream, and some Grey Poupon mustard, just to kind of flavor it up real good. Let's cook our fish. We've already sprayed one side of our fish with a little bit of cooking spray. We seasoned it up on both sides. All right, we're just going to lay our fish down in there, season side down. Going to go about 3 minutes per side. That's generally the rule of thumb, guys. It's about 3 minutes per side. And you want to season this other side as well, too. Season it real good. With basically the same things you put on the other side. And this stuff isn't overly salty, so mustard just kind of gives it a little bit of a twang. All right. And we'll flip that in about 3 minutes. Alrighty, after about 3 minutes, we're going to flip it. Again, it's a delicate fish, guys, so be careful flipping it. Really, this fish is probably more for frying than it is for this, but it's good either way. I'm going to mess this up. There we go. It's delicate, but it is so doggone good, y'all. All right, our rice is done. Just gonna, again, you boil these for 10 minutes. Pour these out of the bag. Do that to both of them. Oh, guys, something else that I forgot. You need to have a little bit of butter. You don't necessarily have to have it, but it really makes the dish taste better. All right, we're going to put that's like 4 little pats of butter right there, which is about, I guess about 2 tablespoons. We've got about 2 tablespoons of sour cream here, 2 tablespoons of our cream cheese as well. This is just going to make this nice and rich. You're just going to mix all this in. Also, you want to put in a little bit of your mustard. And that's about, again, we're eyeballing it, guys. That's about 2 tablespoons there. Go ahead and add your seasoning in here. Again, this is just a mixture of salt, pepper, white pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. And we're going to mix it, and we'll come right back. All righty, that's all nice and mixed in. We're going to take our fish. We're taking our fish out, and it came out pretty good, actually. Here's our fish right there. We're going to plate that fish up with some of the rice. Each one of those there. And you got yourself a meal, y'all. It's a nice little Saturday meal. Sit down and not be hungry. All right, we're going to put this here in the center so you can see it here. And we're going to take a picture of it. And we are all done, guys. Oops, we don't want that like that. Fish came out good. It's going to be a delicious meal. You can use some tartar sauce, whatever you normally use with your fish. This fish probably doesn't need anything on it, to be honest with you. So that's it. You guys have a nice Saturday. Peace.